Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to solve the app is not installed on your Android device. I will show you two solutions that you can try. This method will enable you to install the app easily. This method for Samsung devices. Okay, as you can see here, I have Android 8. First of all, make sure that the option to allow installation of apps from a third party is turned on. To do this, go to settings. Now go to security settings. Here choose install unknown apps. Here choose the apps or browser from which you download the apps. Now make sure to turn this option on, which allows you to install unknown or third-party apps. I'm downloading apps using Google Chrome. Now I will open Google Chrome. As you can see here guys, I have this app and I want to install it. Okay, I'm going to install it now. As you can see, the app has not been installed. To solve this problem, reinstall the app. Now press install. Okay, here when you see this alert, don't click OK. Click on this small button here or click on details. As you can see, below you will find install anyway button. Now click on install anyway button. As you can see, the app is now being installed. Press install. As you can see, the app has been installed successfully. I'm going to open it, and as you can see, it works without any problem. I will download another app and try it. I will download KingRoot app. Now I will install it. As you can see, the app is not installed. I will reinstall the app. Now here click on details. Now click on install anyway. As you can see, the app has been successfully installed. This is an easy and simple way to solve the app is not installed problem. Of course, the devices differ from one type to another, so you may notice a difference in the settings. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.